everyone, a very welcome to all of you to my channel Learn with Anshika Singh. This is Anshika Singh here, and today we are going to conduct part 2 of exercise 2.2. We are going to start with question 3. So the question is, Jayashree studies for 5 to upon 3 hours daily. She devotes 2 4 upon 5 hours of her time for science and mathematics. How much time does she devote for other subjects? So our first statement over here will be total time daily. So how much time she is studying? She is studying 5 to upon 3 hours. So we will write 5 to upon 3 hours. Now our next statement will be time devoted for maths. Time devoted for maths plus science. So what time she is giving for maths and science? It's 2 4 upon 5. 2 4 upon 5. Now we have to take out what time does she gives for other subject. So therefore time given for other subjects. And now we have to subtract it, as she is studying 5 to upon 3 hours daily, and she gives time 2 4 upon 5 hours for maths and science. So for taking out what time she gives for other subject, we need to subtract. So we will write 5 2 upon 3 minus 2 4 upon 5. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17 upon 3 minus 2 5s are 10 plus 4 is 14 upon 5. So now we have to take out the LCM of this. So the LCM is 15. 15, okay, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. 17 5s is 85 minus 15 into 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 into 14 is 42. So now I am solving over here, and you will continue from downwards. Now when we subtract this, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 8 minus 4 is 43 upon 15. Now our answer is an improper fraction, so we need to change it in mixed fraction. So our answer will come 213 upon 15. Okay, and now the answer we have to write. So we will write the answer as Jayashree devoted 2 13 by 15 hours for other subjects. For other subjects. Now let's move to the next question. Now our next question, that is question 4, is Ramesh solved 2 upon 7 part of an exercise while Reshma solved 4 upon 5 of it. Who solved lesser part and by how much? So in this you have to find out Reshma or Ramesh, who solved the lesser part and by how much he or she solved the lesser part. So firstly we have to write Ramesh solved that is equal to 2 upon 7. And then Reshma solved 4 upon 5. Okay, so now we have to make them equivalent like fractions. So just note down these fractions, and now the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Okay. So 35 divided by 7 is 5, and 5 into 2 is 10. And then we have 35 divided by 5, it's 7, and 7 into 4 is 28. So when we separate these, it is 10 upon 35 and 28 upon 35. So in this, which one is greater? That is Reshma solved more than Ramesh. So we will write the answer for the first question. The question is that who solved lesser part. So we will write that Ramesh has solved the lesser part. Now in this you have to take out by how much? Okay, so we need to minus it. That is 28 minus 10 upon 35. So it will be 18 upon 35. So now what our answer will be? It will be by 18 upon 35, Ramesh has solved less than Reshma. Okay. Now question 5 is, Sonali had rupees 35 3 upon 5. She got rupees 16 1 upon 15 from her mother and spent rupees 28 2 upon 3 on food. How much money is left with her? Now I think so this question is very lengthy type. So we need, I think so I had to means मुझे शायद रब करना पड़े further. Okay, so let's start with this. So Sonali had rupees 35 3 upon 5. Now the next statement will be money she got from her mother. So her mother gave her rupees 16 1 upon 15. Okay, rupees 16 1 upon 15. Now we have to take out the total amount of this. Total amount. So for taking out the total amount, we need to add both these fractions. 35 3 upon 5 plus 16 1 upon 15. So the improper fraction for 35 3 upon 5 is 178 upon 5 plus, then there is 16 into 15 is 240 plus 1 241. So it will come 241 upon 15. 241 upon 15. So the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15 only. 15, and now we have to add. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 into 178 is 534. 534 plus and 15 divided by 15 is obviously 1, and 1 into 241 is 241. So when we add this, the answer comes, it will come rupees 775, and our denominator is 15. Okay, so this is the total amount, 15, this is the total amount. Okay, and now we have to take out what money was, means now the leftover is the money spent on food. So it is, so now our next statement is spent on food, and the money that she spent for food is rupees 28.2 upon 3. Okay, so now we need to subtract both these, and let's do this. 775 upon 15 with, we will take out the improper fraction of this, and it comes 86 minus 86 upon 3. Wait, and now we will do from over here as the space is very less. Okay, so now our the denominator, after taking out the LCM, it will come 15. Okay, and 15 divided by 15 is 1, so it will come 775 minus the now 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 5 into 86 is 430. 430. And then when we minus this, our answer comes 345 upon 15. 345 upon 15. Now it can be reduced by 15. So it will be 23, as 15 to the 30, and then 45 is left. It will be reduced by 3. So the answer comes 23 and 1. So you will write it as 23, and the statement you will write, it will be rupees 23, and the statement is rupees 23 was left with her. So now our exercise 2.2 is finished, children, and we will continue with 2.3 in our next video, that is further video. So wait for it. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel, like the video.